In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 2026 ready pop-up modal in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, modern pop-up that feels smooth on desktop and mobile, and you'll know exactly where to tweak the behavior so it matches your site's style. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're on the page and section where you want the pop-up to be triggered. Select the element that users will click to open the modal. This could be a button, a link block, an icon, or any clickable element that fits your layout and design. With that element selected, head to its settings panel. This is the place where you define what the element is connected to. In the link settings, choose the file option and upload the content you want to display in your pop-up. That might be an image, a PDF, or another asset that represents what your modal will present. Think of this as preparing the content that the interaction will reveal, so everything is loaded and ready when the user clicks. Next, open the Interactions panel. This is where you'll control how the pop-up behaves. With your trigger element still selected, add a new element trigger. Choose the mouse click, also labeled Tap on Mobile. This ensures the same interaction works seamlessly for touch devices, keeping your experience consistent across screens. When the trigger appears, look for the Select an Action menu. This tells Webflow what to do when the element is clicked. From that menu, choose Pop. The Pop preset gives you an accessible, modern-feeling modal animation with a quick scale and fade that feels contemporary and responsive. It's a great foundation that you can tune for brand feel and performance. At this point, preview your page and test the interaction. Click or tap your trigger element and confirm that the pop animation behaves as expected. If the motion feels too fast or too subtle, open the interaction details and adjust the timing and easing to your preference. A slightly longer duration can feel more refined, while a snappier motion can make the interface feel energetic. Once everything feels right, customize the look to match your site. Keep contrast high for readability. Verify that the experience is smooth on mobile and make sure keyboard focus and tap targets are comfortable. When it's all aligned with your brand and working reliably, you're done. Customize and congrats.